Indians holding a US visa. Why Dubai is your next big move? Trump's $100,000 tariff and UAE visa hack. So, Trump has just announced this crazy $100,000 tariff plan for Indian workers in the US. And everyone is talking about how expensive it is going to get if you want to build a career there or move to US. But here's the thing nobody is talking about. If you are an Indian holding a US visa, your next big move doesn't need to be the US. It could actually be Dubai. With that visa, you get UAE visa on arrival for 14 days, no paperwork, no waiting, no agents. That's enough time to explore, test the waters, and even start your business journey here. We spend months stressing over Schengen visas, UK visas, Canadian PRs, and yet just because you hold a US visa, Dubai quietly opens the doors for you. And trust me, once you land here, you will realize Dubai is not just an airport layover, it's a serious business hub and possibly the fastest way for you to go global without burning through years of savings. Number 1. Dubai's strategic location. Let's talk geography. Dubai is right in the middle between India and the US. Mumbai in 3 hours, London in 7 hours, New York in around 14 hours. That's why every global company you can think of, from Microsoft to JP Morgan, has a presence here. It's not random, it's strategy. For Indian founders, investors, and professionals, this is literally the perfect bridge. Number 2, business friendly angle. Now, what about business? Dubai is a tax efficient hub. There is zero personal income tax. Company setup is straightforward. You can choose free zones if you want 100% ownership and easy global trade. And mainland setups if you are targeting the local UAE market. And the ecosystem is booming. As of 2025, Dubai has 1034 active startups that raised nearly 876 million US dollars in funding. That's real money going into real businesses. And here's the big one. Between 2021 and 2022, the number of scale-ups companies that go beyond just starting up grew by 26%. That shows founders aren't just opening shops, they're scaling, raising Series A and Series B. This is why people call Dubai the Singapore of the Middle East. But with more energy, more growth, and yes, way more Indian restaurants. Number 3, currency stability. Here is something most founders overlook. Currency risk. If you are building in India, the rupee can swing. If you are in Europe, the euro fluctuates. But in Dubai, the dirham is pegged to the US dollar. That means if you are raising funds in dollars, operating in dirhams, no headaches, no volatility eating your margins. It's stable, predictable, and for investors, that's gold. Number 4, culture and comfort. Let's be real, moving to a new country can feel intimidating, but Dubai, it feels like home and global at the same time. Half the people you meet are from India. Bollywood movies run in theaters the same weekend as Mumbai. You can celebrate Diwali with fireworks and then join Christmas markets the next week. At the same time, your network will include people from Europe, Africa, and the US, all in one coffee shop. That's the beauty of living here in Dubai. Number 5, opportunities with US visa. Now here's the hack. If you are holding a US visa, those 14 days of visa on arrival are not just for shopping at Dubai Mall. In 2 weeks, you can tour co-working spaces and free zones, pitch your startups at DIFC or Dubai Internet City, network with investors who are actively writing checks. If you are serious about property, start the golden visa process immediately. Dubai isn't looking for tourists, it's looking for talent and capital, and if you already have a US visa, you are in a privileged category. Number 6, golden visa. Let's talk numbers because this is where most people get confused. If you invest around 2 million dirhams, roughly around 545 100,000 US dollars. In property, you can qualify to get a 10-year golden visa. Not ready for that big step? There's also a 2-year investor visa starting from 750k dirhams, roughly around 200k US dollars. And here's the kicker, you don't need to pay the full amount in cash. For the 2 million AED investment, bank allows up to 50% financing, meaning you just need equity of about 1 million AED upfront. This is a game changer because compared to London, New York, or even Singapore, the entry point here is lower and rental yields in Dubai are among the highest in the world, sometimes 7 to 9% annually. That's why investors from all over world are rushing in. Why now? So why I'm saying now is the right time? Because Dubai is in its prime growth phase. The UAE government has a Vision 2031 plan. They want over 2 million startups in the country by 2031. Already around 94% of the companies in the UAE are entrepreneur-owned SMEs. This isn't a side hustle economy. It's the backbone of the nation. And look at DIFC, Dubai's financial center. In the first half of 2025 alone, company registrations jumped by 32%, adding over 1,000 new firms. That takes the total to about 7,700 active companies there. Momentum is everything. Get it now and you are part of this growth curve. Wait 5 years, it will be pricier, more crowded, and harder to break through. Now, speaking from my own experience, moving here changes the way you think about opportunity. In India, I used to feel limited by systems, waiting times, bureaucracy. Here, if you've got a clear idea and the courage to take the first step, things move fast. Licenses, registrations, networking, everything is built to enable you. And honestly, the fact that Indians with US visas can walk in with zero paperwork, explore for 2 weeks, and kickstart all this, it's an opportunity that most people don't even know exists. So let me put it this way. The US is tightening rules and even talking about crazy tariffs. India is growing but still fighting red tape. Whereas Dubai, it's welcoming you with open arms, especially if you're holding that US visa in your passport. You don't have to wait for Silicon Valley. Your global business hub could be just 3 hours away from home, right here in Dubai. If this video sparked something for you, don't just sit on it, book a ticket, use your visa on arrival and come see it for yourself. 2 weeks is more than enough to decide if this is your next big move. And trust me, for many Indians holding US visas, the smartest global journey might actually start here, not there. If you have any further queries or questions or you want to connect with me for one-on-one sessions, you can block your slot from the link mentioned in the description and pin comment. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. As always, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and I will see you in my next one. Bye.